Welcome back to the channel. The car we are exploring today is the Czinger 21C, a revolutionary hypercar from Czinger Vehicles that redefines performance through advanced technology and innovative manufacturing. The 21C stands for the 21st century, highlighting the car's futuristic approach to engineering. It is not just a hypercar but a showcase of next-generation production techniques, combining artificial intelligence, 3D printing, and hybrid performance to create a truly unique machine. Car model. The Czinger 21C is a hybrid hypercar designed with a focus on extreme performance and lightweight construction. It features a unique powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with electric motors. The V8 engine is mounted behind the driver and passenger in a central position, while electric motors drive the front wheels. This configuration creates an all-wheel drive system with exceptional power distribution. The combined output is approximately 1,250 horsepower, allowing the 21C to compete with the most powerful hypercars in the world. One of the most distinctive aspects of the 21C is its production process. Many components are created using 3D printing and AI-driven design, resulting in lightweight yet highly optimized structures that would be impossible to produce using traditional methods. Car exterior. The exterior design of the Czinger 21C is aggressive, futuristic, and highly aerodynamic. Every surface is shaped to maximize airflow and performance. At the front, the car features a low nose, sharp LED headlights, and large air intakes that help cool the engine and braking systems. The design emphasizes efficiency and functionality. The side profile is sculpted with aerodynamic channels that guide air smoothly around the car. The narrow cabin and wide stance create a striking visual contrast, highlighting its performance focus. At the rear, the 21C features a large diffuser and an active rear wing that adjusts dynamically to provide optimal downforce. The exposed elements of the design reflect its advanced engineering. The extensive use of carbon fiber ensures a lightweight structure while maintaining strength and rigidity. Car interior. Inside, the Czinger 21C offers a unique and unconventional cabin layout. The seating arrangement is tandem, with the passenger seated directly behind the driver, similar to a fighter jet. This layout reduces the car's frontal area, improving aerodynamics and performance. It also creates a highly focused driving environment. The interior features a minimalist design with advanced digital displays providing real-time performance data. Controls are integrated into the steering wheel for ease of use. Materials such as carbon fiber and Alcantara are used extensively, emphasizing both performance and luxury. The cabin is designed to prioritize the driver's experience, creating a connection between human and machine. Top speed and performance. The Czinger 21C delivers extraordinary performance thanks to its hybrid powertrain and lightweight construction. With approximately 1,250 horsepower, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 1.9 seconds. Top speed exceeds 250 miles per hour, placing it among the fastest hypercars ever built. The combination of electric motors and a high-performance V8 engine provides both instant torque and sustained power. The car's advanced aerodynamics and lightweight design enhance its performance on both straight lines and corners, making it a true track-focused machine. Fuel type and electric powertrain. The Czinger 21C uses a hybrid powertrain that combines a gasoline-powered V8 engine with electric motors. The V8 engine delivers high-speed performance, while the electric motors provide instant torque and improved efficiency. This combination allows the car to achieve exceptional acceleration and responsiveness. The hybrid system also includes regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery during deceleration. This advanced powertrain represents a balance between traditional combustion performance and modern electric technology. Range and efficiency. The Czinger 21C is designed primarily for performance rather than efficiency. However, its hybrid system helps improve fuel consumption compared to purely combustion-based hypercars. The electric motors assist during acceleration, reducing the load on the engine and improving overall efficiency. While exact range figures are not widely emphasized, the focus is on delivering maximum performance with reasonable efficiency for a hypercar. The hybrid system ensures that the car remains technologically advanced while maintaining its performance focus. Capability and driving experience. The Czinger 21C is engineered to deliver an intense and highly engaging driving experience. Its lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics provide exceptional handling and stability. The all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction, while torque vectoring enhances cornering performance. The tandem seating arrangement creates a unique driving experience, placing the driver at the center of the car's performance. Multiple driving modes allow adjustments to power delivery, suspension, and aerodynamics, enabling the car to adapt to different driving conditions. The 21C offers a driving experience that is both futuristic and exhilarating, combining technology with raw performance. Market value. The Czinger 21C is priced at approximately $2 million, reflecting its advanced technology and limited production. Only a small number of units are produced, making it an exclusive and highly desirable hypercar. Buyers can customize their vehicles extensively, ensuring each car is unique. Its innovative production methods and performance capabilities contribute to its value as a collector's item. Comparison. The Czinger 21C competes with hypercars such as the Rimac Nevera, Bugatti Chiron, and Pininfarina Battista. While Rimac focuses on electric performance, Bugatti emphasizes combustion power and luxury, and Pininfarina combines design with electrification. The Czinger 21C stands out for its hybrid system and revolutionary manufacturing process. It represents a new direction in hypercar development. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Czinger 21C is a groundbreaking vehicle from Czinger Vehicles that redefines what a hypercar can be in the modern era. With its hybrid powertrain, advanced manufacturing techniques, and futuristic design, it sets new standards for performance and innovation. More than just a car, the 21C is a vision of the future, proving that technology, creativity, and engineering can come together to create something truly extraordinary in the world of high-performance automobiles, lightweight yet highly optimized structures that would be impossible to produce using traditional methods. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others.